So my family owns a Chinese restaurant. When I was working at the restaurant, I always wanted to have beef and broccoli. There's something about it that's very comforting. It's one of my favorite things on the menu. So that is what I'm going to make today. And I'm going to make it exactly the way that I had it when I was little.
I'm using a Fujianese rice wine, but you can also use shaoxing wine or any other cooking rice wine that you like to use. Last, I'm gonna add baking soda. This is kind of like the secret ingredient. It helps tenderize the meat. It is weird, I know, but it works.
You can let this sit for 30 minutes. I like to marinate this overnight so that the meat is extra flavorful and tender and all that good stuff. So just gonna leave it in the fridge. Put it on the plate because I needed to get a good thumbnail, but when I'm actually eating this, I like to put the beef and broccoli and my rice in the same bowl so that the sauce can like bleed into the rice, and it gives you more of a takeout type of vibe. And I'm just gonna move it to one side. Let's see how this tastes. Ooh. I had a really shit day today, and this is really comforting me, like I hoped it would. Okay, right now I'm going to make egg fried rice, one of my childhood favorites, one of my comfort foods.
The Avengers, not the pre-Vengers. Okay, right? You made your point. Just sit down. Okay. No, here's my point. Sit down. We need you here. You count up no coordinates, clues, no strategy.
Right now I'm going to make tomato egg. If you're Chinese, you've probably grown up eating this. This dish is such a staple that I'm pretty sure it's in at least 3 of my core memories growing up. It's so good, and this is how I make it. Yolk.
I'm I'm going to be making a Chinese seaweed soup. I had it constantly when I was little. I'm not even exaggerating when I say this, but the hold that this soup had on me when I was a child, I could have it every day and never get tired. For this type of soup, we're gonna wanna use this type of seaweed. It's very textured. I like how it's shaped like a wheel. I think it's kind of funny. You can definitely find this at your local Asian food market. It is a very popular thing to add in soups. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I had so much fun making it. If you try any of these dishes, let me know. Nothing would make me happier than knowing that I've converted even one of you to one of these dishes. These dishes all have a special place in my heart. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.